Hello guys. Today we learn about how to use posts, pages, and portfolios in Ultimate Portfolio. First, download and install the Ultimate Portfolio plugin. Please navigate to the post section and ensure that you have created some posts. I have already created some posts. Click on Pages and add a new page. Write a title and then click on a block to add the Ultimate Portfolio. Choose the source of the post content and select the layout you need. Finally, select the quick selection you require. We can display pages or portfolios just like we are displaying posts. Go to the Style section and select a layout style for displaying the posts. I will choose the standard layout. Set content alignment. Also, you can set image radius. And change whole color. Now go to General and click on Post Settings. Exclude post. You can hide any post by selecting the one you want to hide. Taxonomies tag, add the tag you want to display. Taxonomies categories, add the category you want to display. Display date. Display reading time. Display author name. Display comment. Set taxonomy relationship and endure. Post order direction, ascending and descending. Set post order by ID, title or date. You can show and hide duplicate posts. Offset, use this setting to skip over posts. Click on General Settings. Choose one layout type. You can show display caption, display description, display category, columns, adjust the range value for each device. You can adjust the image gap. Now click on Filter option. Enable the filter and go to the settings. You can show filter, category and tags. Display all filter button. Enable filter count. Enable filter count on hover. You can use drag and drop functionality. Enable sorting and search control. Enable pagination. In pagination settings, using 3 style. Pagination, load more and scroll. Now go to Item Control option. Enable search icon, link icon and download icon. This is search icon, link icon and download icon. Now enable the video icon. Enable Lightbox. Go to Lightbox option. Title for Lightbox. Description for Lightbox. Thumbnail for Lightbox. Share icon for Lightbox, download icon for Lightbox. Click on Custom CSS setting, apply your own custom CSS code, do not use style tags. Now click on Publish button. Again click on View Page. All post is successful show on your page. In the lightbox, display all the settings.